Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I drew Homer Simpson. So stay tuned if you want to see how I drew him. So first I'm starting with drawing his eyes, and I am using a drawing pen. I'm just outlining his whole face. Now I'm adding a little bit more detail, and I am just sculpting out his eyes, his nose, and his mouth. Now I am going in and making the outline a little bit more darker and adding more details and his eyeballs, and I'll be drawing his shirt. Okay, so now I am taking my paints and I am filling him in. So I'm starting with his face and I'm filling him in with yellow using a very thin striper brush. Okay, so now after I finish filling in his face with the yellow, I'll be going in with a brown paint to fill in his mouth. Next, I'm filling in his eyes, and so I am using the same brush to do that. And now I am just adding a little bit more detail, such as his hair and some stuff on the side of his face. After, I'll be using a dotting tool to dot his eyes. And then I'm going back into that strapper brush and striping his shirt. Now I am creating a palm tree, so kind of like a beach scene right next to Homer. Now after the palm trees, I'll be adding a little bit of water, and then I'll end it with adding some birds at the top. So this is the end result. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.